Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something really exciting to share with you all. If you're looking for a delicious, plant-based protein powder that's not only healthy but also free from erythritol, then you're going to love this. We are talking about the Course Vegan Protein Powder in chocolate flavor. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the key ingredient: organic pea protein. Pea protein is a fantastic plant-based protein source that's not only high in protein but also rich in essential amino acids. This makes it a great option for muscle recovery and overall health. One of the things I love about Course Vegan Protein Powder is how easily it mixes. Whether you're adding it to water, almond milk, or your favorite smoothie, it blends perfectly without any clumps, and the taste. It's absolutely delicious. The chocolate flavor is rich and satisfying, without any weird aftertaste. Plus, it's naturally sweetened with monk fruit, so you get that sweet chocolatey goodness without any added sugars or erythritol. Now, let's go over some of the incredible benefits of Course Vegan Protein Powder. Organic and non-GMO, made with high-quality, organic ingredients that are good for you and the planet. Erythritol-free, perfect for those who are sensitive to sugar, alcohols, or looking to avoid them. Rich in fiber, supports healthy digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Contains digestive enzymes. Helps your body absorb and utilize the protein more effectively. Allergen-free, no dairy, soy, or gluten, making it a safe choice for those with allergies or sensitivities. I've been using Course Vegan Protein Powder as my go-to post-workout shake, and I've noticed a significant difference in my recovery time and overall energy levels. It's also a great way to boost your protein intake if you're following a plant-based diet. So, if you're looking for a clean, tasty, and effective vegan protein powder, I highly recommend giving Course Vegan Protein Powder in chocolate a try. You can find the link to purchase it in the description below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.